When Lata Mangeshkar ji passed away this year on 6th of February, the High Commission thought for a person who has contributed so immensely to enriching our lives, no matter where we are at that point of time in life, whether we are going through a difficult time, where we are in a joyful moment, whether we are in a solemn moment. She was always with her. She will always be with us through her music and through her voice. So we thought that we should have a tribute to the lady who had so much of love and affection for Indian citizens and also for the extended family we call as the diaspora across the world. So this is a humble attempt to pay a tribute on behalf of the High Commission to Lata Mangeshkar ji. I am sure you will enjoy it. I have seen myself with my own eyes the hard work being done by my own staff, the staff at the Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center for this night, and the hard-working artists organized by the Sarigama group of, Sarigama local group here. I have seen them practice so strenuously for the last 2 weeks or so. Many of them are professionals, some of them are perhaps amateurs with a love for singing, but I can rest assured that today will be a musical treat. And I look forward to enjoying with all of you the rest of the evening. Thank you so much for your attention. Vinaka Vakalevu, Dhanyavad.
I know when you interrupt a beautiful program, normally people are not happy. So I'll keep it short. I'll keep it very short because tonight is not about big speeches. It's about paying tribute to Lata ji. And at the offset, let me thank Indian High Commission and Saregamapa Events for bringing to us this enchanting evening. As I sat there and as I listened to the first 3 or 4 songs, it reminded me how lucky we are to live in a nation like this. All of us are music lovers, that's why you are here. And of course, you are fans of late Lata Mangeshkar, a legendary singer who through her singing, thousands of songs have enabled us to collect to India. In Fiji and wherever we are, Indian diaspora actually is connected by music and movies. And I am a big fan of Lata Didi. Your Excellency, you spoke about the song Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo. Of course, it's my favorite, but my favorite is Lag Ja Gale. And I'm sure, this song, or any song actually, has to make meaning to you for you to enjoy. I get rid of my stress through music. Every morning when I wake up, my hand reaches for my phone and I put a song on YouTube. It takes the stress out and helps you start a happy day. So thank you all for being here. Thank you all for supporting our very talented artist. Lemba, I hope you are listening to me. You make me proud, Beta. And Eddie, when I heard you sing, I think this is the first time I'm hearing you sing with your daughter. I must say, hats off to you. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fiji we are trying to create, where we understand each other, where we live peacefully, and the way to do it is to understand each other's language. In schools now, it is compulsory for our Itoke students to learn Hindi, and our Hindi students to learn Itoke. And that's the vision of your government of the day. In order for our people to understand each other better, to communicate each other better, we have to break down language barriers, and that's what we are doing. So parents, please do encourage your children in school to learn these languages. And hopefully in the near future, for the next generation, Fiji will be a different place altogether. So continue to promote communication and breaking down communication barriers. And to the talent of Saregamapa, I've been part of your season 1 and season 2. A few of the winners are here, I remember. So keep up the talent, and this event is not only for us to enjoy, but also gives us an opportunity to appreciate the talent that we have in the country. And I'm sure what these artists are going to perform is not only going to make us happy and enjoy the evening, but also realize how much potential we have in our country, and how much we need to support them. So to all the corporate bodies and businesses present here, please do support. And Albert, I haven't forgotten you. You are still my favorite. So I hope we get a chance to hear from Albert. I do hope. And ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the evening. And if I take any more time, I know you'll throw eggs and tomatoes at me if it was India. So I don't want that to happen. All the special guests, and all the invited guests, and all those who have made time on a Sunday evening. Remember, work is tomorrow. You have to arrive at work on time too. So enjoy, relax, and start tomorrow on a fresh note. Thank you, High Commissioner. Thank you.